What's popping YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. Before going any further, I just want to say click on the bell down here and do subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of content and there's a lot of unboxing which is going on in the coming few videos. So yeah, we are back to India. We are back home from Vietnam. That trip was amazing and I'm still suffering from cold. Approximately it costed us 1,10,000 rupees per head from Hyderabad to Hyderabad, and we stayed majority in 4-star hotels, and the majority chunk of the cost went to the cruise which we stayed in. The cruise is expensive, so cruises in general, cruises are expensive, but the cruise in Vietnam, it is cheaper. That's because Vietnam as a country, for Indians, the value of their rupee or the dong is much lower than Indian rupee.
Rupee is equals to 280 Vietnamese dong.
And also their currency, अपने पास 1 रुपया होता है, उनके पास it starts from 1,000 dong. 1,000 dong is one.
Yeah. So basically when you go to Vietnam, whenever you go for any shopping, basically remove 3 zeros from whichever note they say. If it's a 50,000 dong note, they consider it as 50 dong. That trip to Vietnam was one of my most amazing experiences because we were a huge group of friends. We had the most amazing time. Let it be from the south partying to the north when we went to enjoy the nature and all. It was one memorable experience. When you visit Vietnam, do go to Halong Bay. It is such pristine waters, jade blue in color, or should I say jade green in color. And that experience was worldly. And you get a lot of tan. You love the beaches, you love the water, they're clean, pristine, just an amazing experience.
Can actually cut you out there. You know, I always feel that during a vacation, the amount of tan represents the amount of fun you had in the sun. And this Vietnam trip, we really got tanned. Dasara and my friend's wedding is really close by. I really want to get rid of this tan. Luckily, our ancestors, they use the product Ubtan for natural glowing skin. Mamaearth has a ready-to-use Ubtan facial kit which is enriched with turmeric and saffron, where turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties which make skin glow and fights aging. Saffron, on the other hand, smoothens your skin and aids in skin repair. This facial kit comes with cleansing milk for deep cleansing, a face scrub to exfoliate dead skin cells, a smoothing gel to hydrate your skin, a massage cream to improve blood circulation, and a face mask to brighten your skin. Finally, Ubtan Glow Cream to lock in all the moisture and give you brighter, smoother and rejuvenated skin. This facial kit is made safe certified, which means no toxins and no parabens. Now get Shadiwala glow and festive glow at the comfort of your home. You purchase from Mamaearth, they link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. You can track this tree through your order. By 2025, Mamaearth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as part of this initiative. You guys can use the code BROTHERS2022 on the Mamaearth website or the app to get 20% off. The links are down in the description down below.
What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs, and Srijan has just given me a big shock, big surprise that he's purchasing a new phone.
You see this? I've been using my phone in this condition from past 1 year, and this phone is it's more than 3 years old now. I got it in Sikkim and now it's finally time to change. Unfortunately, I really wanted to go for an Android phone. I wanted to take the Google Pixel 7, but the thing is, Android's video clarity is not that good when compared to iPhones. So I'm sticking to iPhone, and let's go take
about this fellow. What I know is every phone, one phone will be Android, second phone will be Apple. He's been doing that for a very long time, and the shop which we are going is right here, Aptronics. And oh man, iPhones I know are quite expensive, bloody expensive to be honest.
Uncle, etla divutam uncle. Judu, ajubi. He wants us to put in between this and this. Camera ne?
Nanna diga matradu.
Anna.
Atu enka koni bete chepta. Enka koni. Atu di pushari. Koni bete. Koni. Koni. Ana madhya lettu.
Amaya, thanks Anna. Pattala na car. Deen nunchi vasta. Buyatiki ravalante deen nunchi vasta. waiting for to change my phone forever since, and finally I got this. I really wanted an Android, but just because of the camera I got this. So unfortunately the Aptronics people where I purchased the phone, they said they had to unbox it then and there itself and upload some IMEI number to their system, and that is the reason why I couldn't shoot a proper unbox video. And I did ask them genuinely, what if I want to gift this phone to someone else, and they said that they don't have any other option. तो मेरे को बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आए माइंड में, saying that what happens if you buy a phone online or buy a phone from Apple India, how do they do it? I don't know, but even he had no answer, but Aptronics does it that way. I went to Technovision, which is a very famous phone retail outlet here in Hyderabad. I asked them for iPhone 14 Pro 256GB. Color was not specific to me. I wanted either a black or a purple. So I told them, and they said that you need to pay 15,000 rupees extra on the MRP to get a phone in hand. I was like, dude, I'll wait for a month or so. It doesn't make any sense. So I think most of you guys already know what's in the box. Let's just open it. Do you have it? Do you like the color?
I personally am 50-50 for it. This part is fine. The bezels for me are
little girly.
Little too. I don't. That present day is there's nothing called girly anymore, but not really.
I liked it, and I already uploaded my photo, my wallpaper, everything insane, because I had a previous iPhone. It's just scanning the QR whatever on the newer phone, and all the data is transferred automatically, and that Panigale looks wonderful, isn't it? So get the phone, get a SIM ejector. Yes, mine is an Indian variant, and you get a SIM tray. Only the US and the Canada versions get a eSIM, but the Indian ones get a regular size SIM and also an eSIM. A stupid sticker, SIM ejector tool, paperwork, designed by Apple in California. Charging cable. There's no charging brick and there's no headphone. But luckily, I got this 1 year ago, and it's time for me to unbox this.
You got that 1 year ago?
Yes.
Why haven't you opened it?
तब charges थे, तो I thought जब नया phone लेंगे तब charger use करूँगा. Just a charger dude. Just a charger.
Yes. Yeah. $1,900 for a charger. But what do you think about the unboxing experience of your phone? Like
nothing fancy. I mean, to be really honest, I really wanted to buy the Samsung Fold or the Flip, or just for camera experience, the Google Pixel. Those phones, they had something unique in them. This is a 3-year-old phone. This is brand new. What's the difference? I mean, except for the color, yeah, and the camera model is slightly larger on this. The design language is almost the same. Yes, the specs are bumped up, the camera is bumped up, but I think...
Like, when that launched, that phone was the top of the line. When this launches, this is the top of the line. Obviously, the specs will be bumped up with age, but the design language hasn't changed, right?
Changed. Yeah, I mean, that's really sad. I mean, iPhone 10 is the same designer. It's just they're improving the cameras and all. I think Apple showed up their game with design more slightly unique. They came up with this something pill-shaped dynamic island. They're thinking that is revolutionary, but doesn't. It's just a gimmick. I was okay with the notch too. So yeah, finally I've got the new phone. Now, time for looking at the camera quality of this. We are talking on the iPhone without any external mic. I hope the camera clarity is excellent. There is cinematic mode, there is some action mode. Pata nahi yaar. Color production on this phone is pretty good. Let's just go.
It's got a 3x zoom. This is half x, 1x, 2x, and look at Srijan's face is 3x. So yeah, the color science of Apple is supposed to be really good, at least for video quality.
Unfortunately, it's not sunny today. It's very dingy, cloudy and all. But yes, this has been my unboxing experience of the new phone. Hope you guys liked it, and do let me know whether it's a worth upgrade from 11 Pro to a 14 Pro, and whether you're using an iPhone, probably a 13 which is slightly more latest. Do you think it is advisable to upgrade, or you can skip 1 year and probably go for the next model year. So do let us know down in the comment section. See you guys in the next vlog.